Welcome to a quick Fusion 360 practice session. Create a new sketch on the XY plane. Draw a rectangle, 146 units high and 72 units wide. Press E to extrude and set the extrusion to 25. Create a sketch on the bottom face of the body. Press P to project the body's geometry. Use the rectangle tool and set a coincident constraint. Then define the width by pressing D for dimension and setting it to 36. Press E to extrude the profile by 90 and set the operation to join. Create a new sketch on the front face of the body. Project the existing geometry. Draw a line at the center. Create a circle with a diameter of 24. Apply a coincident constraint to place the circle on the center line. Then set its height to 48. Use the line tool and draw two vertical lines. Set the upper line 24 from the top and lower line 30 from the bottom. Create a circle with a diameter of 60. Finally, you can use the trim tool to remove the excess lines. Extrude the sketch by 12 and confirm. Then run extrude again, select the center circle, and extrude it once more. Create a new sketch on the bottom face of the body. Project the geometry. Draw a rectangle 50 units wide and 72 tall. Use extrude and remove the rectangle with a cut operation. Next, create a new sketch on the top face of the body. Press P to project the upper geometry. From the Create menu, select Center to Center Slot. Draw a slot with a 12-unit radius and a length of 50. Finally, cut away the slot we just made.